These are our birds having fun in the cage. Yes, just running around. The yellow one's mine. Who wants to play? Hey you! What you doing there? What you doing there? Yeah. Hey! What you doing? What you doing? Oh, come? Come to the camera. Come. You come to the camera. Oh, oh. Yeah, good bird. Good bird. Good bird. Yeah. The gum bubbles. Oh, you want to come to the camera closer? Oh, you cute birdie. Look at mine. Oh, scared. Oh. Trying to make him play with this ball. You don't want to. So I guess they're gonna stay there. Hello, birdies. Go down. Go down. Go down. Please go down. Oh, relax. Didn't mean that. No. Go back down. Here, good bird. Now I just fill that. I'm gonna put it back down. Hello. Good boy. Good boy. Hey you. You like the camera. Try to make them go take a bath too, but they don't even go near the thing. They don't want to go inside it. So yeah. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna go. I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is what he's been doing all night. Been running to each end of the cage. And if he goes and eat. Go in the water. No, he likes the camera better.